This is what the runners will see when they come to the finish line. Here's the palace. And the church.
He looks like my guess is about 25 minutes out from his bike leg, as he's already climbed up to climb outside of the Four Seasons area. So he's out on the higher part of the highway, the downhill section of the way. Starts shifting a little bit here, where
That used to be where my department worked, timing.
So now that he has this gap, there may be a little bit of advantage to what he's doing and the time that he'll actually put it behind by the time they get to this point. The winds may shift again and maybe a little bit more in their face. So there's a lot of things that change here in this Ironman here in Hawaii. Conditions can change really quick, and from section to section it can really change. And if he takes advantage of this section, we can see his
later there will be thousands and thousands of people here. It'll be impossible to walk through here.
Anyway, but in this small strategy, probably not here on in, because you were the guy whenever you raced it was in front and you were pushing at this stage. It's just like Marino right now, trying to get every ounce of energy out of those pedal strokes, every minute up on your side. Chris, what exactly were you thinking? Were you thinking about nutrition? Were you thinking about, you know, the pacing? What was going on through your mind, and what do you think is going through Marino's mind?
Yeah, I mean, at this point in the race, you really are thinking about every aspect constantly, just rolling it through your head. You know, in the beginning it was more on feel, watching who's around you, making sure you're in the right position. Now that he's by himself and going through it, his legs are going to start hurting.
4 hours and
his quads will be burning a little bit. And so he's going to be watching either his power, if he's got power, to make sure that he's still pushing a pace that he wants to consistently be on top of. But he's looking, okay, make sure I have the fluid in. Okay, how long has it been since I've drank in a liter of fluid, to make sure that he's staying on track of that, to make sure